Hello everyone and welcome to Workup, and this is a very short video tutorial about designing a YouTube video thumbnail very fast using Canva. If you have an account on Canva, then you can directly log into Canva, but if you don't have an account, then you can go to Canva and sign up for an account. When you open the website of Canva, there are two buttons here: login and sign up. If you have an account, then you can go with login. If you don't have, you can sign up here. It asks you to log in with your Gmail, Facebook, or with your email. So I have another video tutorial on it, so you can watch that, how to sign up or log in to Canva. So I have logged it to my account, and here it's a personal account. It is free. I haven't yet upgraded to Pro, and if you want to upgrade to Pro, you can do that anytime, and there is a pricing here. You can check it from here. I go to create a design to create a thumbnail for YouTube. It also suggests you some designs from here. If you don't see your favorite design, you can write and search for that. For example, I want to create or design a thumbnail. Here is a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. I click on it. When you check the designs, you can also see the resolutions of it, the size of the project you are creating. And here is our project. It is named and titled Design YouTube Thumbnail. You can name your project if you want. Sample thumbnail. So here is the empty and blank page. So in design section, in the left side, you see a lot of tools and applications. So I want to describe you each of them very shortly, so you could understand and use them for your designs. In the design section, you will see samples for the project you have created. For example, you have taken a YouTube thumbnail. You will see the designs related to YouTube thumbnail. You can see here. And here there are thousands of free designs for your thumbnail. So here, the elements, you can find a lot of things from here, like stickers, graphics, lines and shapes. And in the upload section, you will find your personal files which you have uploaded to Canva, images, videos, or audio. In the text, you have text. You can write headings, subheadings, or body text. Here are some styles for text. You can use any of them, which is free. And these are the pro. Here is a project. You will say your recent projects and apps you can use from Pixabay, image, pixels, or maybe emojis. If you want to use them, you can directly click on them and add them to your apps list. For example, I want to use pixels. Use. Here it is. Here we came to the design, and let us design a sample thumbnail. Which one do you like? For example, this one. You can edit the texts. You can replace the image if you want, or you can edit the text. You can resize your text from here. You can change your background. The background app is not available here, so I have to add it. Here is the background, and if I want, I can change it. It is changed, and you can also change the background of your texts. There are layers in the background, so I can change them. It's so simple. So you can go to share to save your image and download. You can choose your file type. It is JPEG, PNG, or PDF, or whatever it is. So PNG, download. It is downloading. I click on that, and wow, this is a thumbnail, and just you can design it in 2 minutes. And there are a lot of designs here. You can use any of them, which is free. I hope this is a useful video for you, and if you learned something from it, you can like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos in the future. See you in the next video.